Reasons why Elecbrakes is the best solution. Today, if you want to tow a trailer with electric brakes, you need an electric brake controller fitted to your car. This means that the car with the controller must be used each time the trailer needs to be towed or moved. What a pain! If you want to tow the trailer with another car, you now need to install a second brake controller, and another, and another. Are you in the hire business? Imagine any hirer with the right vehicle being able to use your services. Do you have a trailer that you and your team use for business? Are the young apprentices always having to use the boss's nice new car to tow the trailer? Not anymore. Do you have horses? Imagine being able to tow the horse float with any capable tow vehicle. This section is how to install and set up. Elecbrakes is a wireless electric brake controller fitted to your trailer, not your car. Having an Elecbrakes unit will allow any vehicle with the correct towing capacity to tow the trailer the unit is attached to. The unit can be installed in as little as 10 minutes with no specialist knowledge or skills required. Simply attach the unit to the drawbar of the trailer. Connect the trailer cable to the adapter plug and insert into the tow vehicle socket. Download the Elecbrakes app and follow the instructions to calibrate the phone to the Elecbrakes unit on the trailer. Take your wireless Elecbrakes remote with you, hop in the car, and you're good to go. Get brake smart. Get Elecbrakes. Visit elecbrakes.com today to join the towing revolution.